Hi everyone, this is So Siddiqui and you are watching Creative Kingdom. Today is the very last video of the Blender modeling playlist, and in this video we will take a look on the last tool, which is known as the knife tool. So as the name refers to the knife, we are pretty much sure that what knife used to do. So if you are seeing this, so let's see how we can get benefits from the knife tool. Just delete this, call a new cube with the Shift A, and now we have a new cube over here. So knife tool is basically used to cut a geometry from a specific place so we can utilize it in terms of solving a purpose. So if suppose I press the tab key and from the drop down menu, this one is the knife tool, and if suppose I want to cut this face into two, so for that we can use the knife tool or press the K button on your keyboard. So once you having K, you will find a kind of a knife shape icon over here. So if suppose I want to break this face into two faces or maybe three or four, what we will do, we just press on the very first point, very first edge, and the last one. Press enter. After pressing the enter, if you press 3 on your keyboard, so now you can see that you have two divided faces over here. So as if now if I want to delete this face, I'll simply select and press D, delete, and say faces. So now you can see that you have an entire different shape over here, and you have deleted the unwanted part from the model. Similarly, one more time, if I'll press the K button and select the first one and the second one, then enter. So now we have one more partition over here, and with that partition, if I press 3 and select the first face and select the top face, so now I don't want to delete this part, I want to play with this part by using the Extrude tool. So I'll press the E for extrude and try to model something over here. It's looking a kind of a window. We can do actually a lot of things over here. We can select all the edges over here as we have seen in the last videos. So we have selected all the top edges, and now by pressing Ctrl B or using bevel tool, so I can reshape it to something. So as we have seen in the bevel tool, I can erase the segment, and with erasing the segment you can see that we have a kind of smoothness over here. So the purpose of telling about the knife tool is that we can subdivide our faces into many numbers if according to our purpose. So this is about the knife tool. So let's see one more example over here. Select the first edge and the last one and press enter. So now you have two different faces over here. You can simply press I for insert as we have seen in the last videos, and then we can extrude by using this button or pressing E. We can do trillions of stuffs by using the knife tool according to our niche. Most of the time people use a knife tool to delete the unwanted part. So as if I want to delete some part of the face, what I will do, I'll just come to the knife tool, press and enter. So now you have two faces. One more trick I'll play over here, and that is by, if I see what mistake I have done in the very first part, that I have just selected and deleted. So in this way it's not looking very realistic. In that case, what I'll do, I'll first extrude inside, and now I'll delete the face. So let's see what happens. So I have some amount of thickness over here on the walls. So from the next video we will talk about these several other tabs such as shading. Till then, take good care of yourself. This is your host Saud Siddiqui signing out.